Okay, so here we're using Comic Life to give an interactive recount of something that's happened. So we can use this in presentations, in practice for storyboarding, things like that. I'm going to give an example now of how to create a Comic Life product. So here I'm in the main page, which is the template chooser, and I am going to select Retro, choose. I'm going to zoom out so I can see the entire thing. Now up here I've got a couple of different layouts for the Comic Life poster. I think I'll stick to the original one because I like the layout. It's got big pictures and there's not too much on the page. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some pictures on the page. So to start off with, I'm going to go down to my album and I'm going to import some pictures from my iPad that I took this weekend. And let's have a think. I think the one I'll stick here will be the tree. So I simply select and drag. And I'll do the same with the following pictures that I would like. And let's have the spider web. Alright, so I'm going to change the title. So double click. So that's going to be the name of our, now I obviously need to make that a bit smaller, which I can do shortly, but I'm also going to change the colour to suit the theme. Because we were in a wildlife park, a national reserve, I want to go for something green. So let's have a look, have a little play around. Quite like that one. So I'm going to resize, I'm going to squish it in, but I might make it a bit taller. There we go. Alright, so in this picture here, which I can zoom in on, I have a picture of a tree, which to me looks a bit like the Whomping Willow from Harry Potter. So I'm going to click Your Words here, and I'm going to change that to whatever I would like to put in there. Now, I think that needs to be a little bit bigger, so I might hit the bigger button. Oh, I've got to highlight it first. Bigger button, make it a bit bigger. That's a bit better. Alright, now this one here, going to just zoom in a little bit and move. I think I like it there, but I might make this one a bit smaller so that this one can be a bit bigger. Alrighty, so this one, we'll call this one King of the Mountain. And I'll draw that nice and close, make it a bit bigger. Alright, let's have a look. So might drag the speech bubble down there so it's not blocking the picture. And we'll come there. Alrighty. So now that we've got some words on there, we can always add some more graphics in, or any other bits and pieces that we would like to add on. So what I might do is I might change the background style. Actually, if we make it a dark colour, it won't stand out. So we might leave it that neutral colour. Let's go down to, now that word doesn't really make sense for what we're doing in these pictures, so I might change that one to say, what a day. Just enter that down, and again I'm going to change the colour scheme because it doesn't really suit the one that I've got there so far. So I like that writing. I think I'll change it, let's see what this one's like. I don't quite like that one. Let's have another look. Yeah, that one's a bit better. Alright, so now that we've got those in, what we can do is we can add in some more bits and pieces. We can add in lettering, we can add in speech bubbles or thought bubbles. So I'm thinking I might just add in a regular text. So I'd like to drag, don't want it there though. So I'm going to pull it up to the middle, pull it across, and bring it up. Alright, so that's what I'd like to have written there. I'm pretty happy with that now, so I am going to save that one. Going to save it onto my computer. As a Comic Life. Oh, I didn't select my documents. Save it there. And now I can access that one as a comic.